Friends, I am very delighted to announce January's viewer-submitted knife contest entry number 2. Now this is Worm_Vaquero. His real name's Steven. He is showing off this super cool buck 303 Cadet that was his granddad's. Says his granddad started carrying this back in the 70s. How cool is that, huh? And he thinks it was made by Camillus. Alright, so any of y'all knife collectors, experts on these old buck knives, know anything about it? Put it in the comments. Let us know what you know about this knife. That's what's cool. Help each other out, right? So, do you have any classic knives like this? Or maybe some pretty or unique newer blades to show off? Then what are you waiting on? Dust them off. Get 4 or 5 good photos. And send me an email with some details, and I will make a video just like this on your knife and get you entered into our monthly contest. Alright, so we're going to go over the rules in just a minute, but real quick, I went to the Buck website. I found out they still make this 303 Cadet. It's under 60 bucks. It's USA made, and let's see what they have to say about it. As per Buck's website, it says it's slightly smaller than the Stockman. The Buck Cadet pocket knife also has the same 3 blades. It has a 2.5 clip point, an 1.25 sheep's foot, and an 1 11/16 spay. And what a cool little knife it is. Let's give Worm_Vaquero a huge shout out for being our second entry into the viewer submitted knife contest. And also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it to any of your friends that might want to enter the contest as well. Alright, so I copy and pasted the rules from my other video that I put up, the new knife contest. You can check my playlist for that. But I just copy and pasted them here, so here we go. Let's go through the rules for the contest. Thanks for viewing. So I figure we keep it pretty easy here. Now, viewer submitted photos. Winner is chosen by the most comments on the video. Negative comments are not to be counted, so only positive comments will be counted in the vote. All makes and designs are eligible for the contest. Makes it fair, right? Okay, so the next step would be how to enter. Alright, so posting requirements. You have to email photos to clarbar@icloud.com. That's my email address for this channel. Now you have to include your subscriber name in the email so that when we do the comments we know whose photos they are. Alright, also include at least 4 photos of the knife. Open, closed, and each side would be best. Email must be in by the 15th of each month to be posted in current month. So if it comes in after the 15th, you're just automatically entered in the next month. And now, most importantly, we need to know the make of the knife, the model name, and any information that you have about the knife, like when you bought it, where you got it, was it a gift, how long ago was it, anything that will add content, because that's probably going to get you better votes too. Now, I'm going to do is I'm going to take your photos and I'm going to put them together in a little video, and I'll talk about whatever you tell me about the knife. If you only submit the photos, all I can do is say this is what it looks like. But if you give me some background, I can include that in there and we can talk about it. Alright, so the next thing is prizes. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's just going to be pretty much bragging rights. I'll put some stickers together, maybe some Econo knives or something like that, and put together some kind of little package. But I'm already giving away a knife each month, and that's pretty much eating up my budget. But what I have done is I went on my home page and I added a membership button. And if you go to my home page right here, you'll see a membership button. It's only $4.99 a month, and if you want to join and support the channel, that would be appreciated. 100% of it will go towards knife content, giveaways, and merchandise that I send out for free. And let me thank JD Smith. He's our first member. JD Smith, you're our first member. Big shout out. Thank you, buddy. The rest of y'all, I hope you enter our knife contest. I hope you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it to your friends. so they can enter the knife contest. And other than that, thanks for viewing.